Hello, I'm Dr. Levon Hayrapetyan, a business professor at Houston Baptist University. In this demo, I'll show you how to perform multiple linear regression analysis. And I will demonstrate based on the example which is discussed on the PowerPoint presentation, which is the relationship to study a relationship between number of pies sold per week based on how much they will charge per pie and how much money they will spend on advertising. So what's the relationship between these three variables? Pay attention. Dependent variable in this example will be pie sold, and independent variables will be price in dollars and advertising cost in hundreds of dollars. Now let's do regression analysis. Go to the data menu, data analysis, scroll down to regression, okay. Then select input Y range. So Y is dependent variable. Our dependent variable is pie sales. Input X range. This is the only difference between conducting or performing simple linear regression and multiple regression. In simple linear regression, when we select input X range, we had only one column. Now we have two independent variables, X1 and X2, in two columns. Therefore, we have to select all of them, both of them. Therefore, my input X range will be, so I highlighted both price and advertising columns. This is the only difference from technical point of view how to perform multiple regression analysis. You have to just select all input X ranges. If you have 5 independent variables, then you will have 5 columns of numbers. I'll check labels because the first row contains labels. I'll leave confidence level at 95%. Detailed explanation of the meaning of the confidence level you can find in PowerPoint presentation. Click output range and click inside of this box and specify where do we want to get the result from Excel. In F, starting at this cell, F4. Click OK and results are calculated. Now Excel found all these three coefficients, B0, B1, B2, and those are in here. So intercept is B0. Let me just copy these cells in here for reference purpose. So B0 is this number, 306.53. B1, which is slope for price, is negative 24.98. And B2, which is slope for advertising cost, is 25.97. Therefore, the regression equation in this case will be, you can just replace B0, B1, B2 with these three numbers, and you will get the regression equation for this multiple regression. How to interpret these coefficients? You can find detailed explanations and interpretations in the PowerPoint presentation. So you will learn again how to interpret the meaning of the R square, how to interpret the meaning of slopes. Now we have two slopes and we have to interpret both of them, and how to interpret the p-values for slopes, and we have two p-values and we have to interpret both of them. As I said, detailed interpretations of these quantities are presented in the PowerPoint presentation. This concludes my short